Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to see who read your message in a Telegram group chat. Have you ever wondered if your message was seen by everyone in the group? Well, wonder no more. We'll show you how to check it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on a group chat where you want to check if your message has been read. Step 3. Locate the specific message you want to check. Tap once on the message, and you'll notice a bar appearing at the top of the menu. Step 4. Look closely at the bar, and you'll see the profile pictures of the members who have read your message. Each profile picture represents a member who has seen your message. Step 5. If you want to know the names of the members who have read your message, simply tap on their profile picture. This will reveal their names as well. By following these simple steps, you can easily see who has read your message in a Telegram group chat, allowing you to stay informed and engaged with the group conversation. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a more interactive messaging experience in Telegram.